Metadata issues can hide deep inside an otherwise successful package build. In our example, the error states the org-wide default setting is not matching the role access. We'll begin by creating a scratch org and reproducing the same error to determine whether the issue is related to a particular metadata type before digging deeper. Start in VS Code and use the command line to create a scratch org with scratch org def file and minimum required configuration. Open your scratch org from the VS Code terminal command line. We're only deploying the role metadata to the scratch org. Navigate back to VS Code. From the command line, copy and paste the validation command found in the knowledge article to deploy to scratch org for testing. Add your alias ID. Then select Enter. When the deployment runs, the same error appears in the scratch org deployment log, which confirms the configuration issue is directly related to the SVP role field integrity exception with unknown case access level below org-wide default. Let's do the same in the scratch org. Enter deployment in the search bar and select Deployment Status. Select View Details and scroll to Component Errors to confirm the same SVP role. This issue is tied to the case org-wide default sharing setting in the development org environment. So let's update the case sharing model to private to align the org confirmation with the metadata requirements used by the package. In the search bar, enter sharing and select Sharing Settings. In the organization-wide defaults section, click the Edit button. Navigate to the case object and update the public read-write transfer to private. Select OK to confirm. On the Sharing Settings page, select Save and click OK. Refresh the page to confirm the case object default access is set to private. Next, go back to VS Code to redeploy the same role metadata to the scratch org validation environment. From the command line, enter the command to deploy with validation only. Now our deployment succeeded in the SVP role. Let's verify the metadata in the org to confirm the role configuration deployed correctly. From the Setup search bar, enter roles. Under Users, select Roles. From the Understanding Roles page, select Setup Roles. From the Creating the Role hierarchy page, expand the CEO role and select the SVP role. Navigate to the role detail to confirm the case access description. Users in this role cannot access the cases that they do not own. For more on this scenario, review the knowledge article linked in the description and comment section. Check out our other videos and explore related topics with Agentforce on help.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.